Hey guys, Andy from Greek's Garage here. Today I picked up this free moped on Craigslist. Let me know in the comments what you think, if I should restore this thing or just part it out. Okay, this is a 1962 Yamaha MJ2. It's in pretty rough shape, but I have probably 90% of the parts to put it all back together. So if I was to do this, I would definitely tear it all down and redo everything. The engine, I believe, is a 55cc two-stroke, and I just thought it'd be a cool little bike to restore and get back up and running. So here's a quick walk around of the bike. Okay, here's a box of parts that came with it. We got the speedometer, got the gas tank over here. Here we got the front headlight. We got the muffler right over here. We got the side covers. One right there, one right here. Here's the seat pan. With this rear rack. We've got some miscellaneous parts in here. We've got the side cover for the engine. Looks like a lot of these parts were sitting in water, but they all can be cleaned up. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me restore this on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications to keep you updated on when I post new content. Thanks again for watching.